So got this 95 1500. Been a fucking nightmare. A nightmare. No starting issue. But I could jump it from the starter relay. I could jump it from the starter relay. Start it. I could start it at the starter. Trying to chase down the wire. Wasn't even clicking the relay from the starter switch. So I put the old ignition switch back in it. Still wouldn't work. Trying to track the wires with the multimeter. And everything was good. It wasn't making any sense. So I pulled the barrel out for the key and used the big ass screwdriver, tried to turn it even further, and it started. And it kept starting. So put it all back together, or put the cylinder back in, try starting it, wouldn't start, nothing. Pull it back out. I could start it again with the screwdriver. Pull it back out, try it again. Wouldn't start. So I kept fucking with it, and I took the screwdriver and I kind of turned it to a little further of a point, and then put the barrel in there. Maybe it was out of alignment or something. But it's pretty simple. There's not like keyways like a Harley. It was just one thing that turns, you know what I mean? So, but good to go. Starts now. Starts right up. Done.